know I'm fine, but the money makes me handsome. But the money makes me handsome.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Supreme RC. Today we have the Excalibur. The Excalibur. Let's get this out of here. Wow. Alright. Excalibur. High performance 1600 millimeter. It'll just come right down on the back side. You know how we like it from the back. Here we go. I don't know. Let's stand it up. Little thing about this is a version 2, guys. I'm gonna pull it open. I'm gonna slap it together as quick as possible. I need that razor blade. We gotta chop that up real quick. Get all them goodies popping. I got a little 1-page manual. First plane, nah, I don't know. If you're put in about 1,000 hours of sim, it might be good. Probably a super easy plane to build. I mean, it's got the wing set in half pieces. The wings have the plugs on it, you see, so there's no wires to plug in. You just plug that straight to the fuse that connects to, you know, your receiver and everything. So, but the colors, come on, guys, get with that program. Banging, bussin', that shit is popping. The finish looks alright. I'm sure by the time I get up to speeds that I will be doing, I'll probably have to put new stickers on it. But anyhow, hey, this is a Hobby King aircraft, and as far as I'm concerned, it's looking pretty damn slick, guys. Got a little landing skid on the wing because this is a belly lander. You know, you're gonna land it. There's no skids or anything like that. It has your little bits package here. It's got the aluminum spinner, which is sweet little upgrade. The little bag screwdrivers, all your push rods and screws and stuff. We'll get to that. Blah. These little pockets are tricky because I threw one airplane away and had all the. This is the connector, I believe, for the wings and everything. This is something else here. Oh, it's a folding prop here, so, and it's all metal. Keep that in mind, guys. That prop spinner is metal. The yoke is metal here. This prop is a 13x8 folder. So this is a hotliner. This is like, you know, you fucking get in, dump the throttle, shoot way up, soar around, swoop around, dive in, and then as you bleed off the speed, you hit that motherfucker again and shoot back up. So yeah, this is slick. This is nice. I like that shit. Let me get that out of here. 2 round carbon spars, one about 16-18 inches, and then the other one a foot long. I don't know where those are gonna go. I'm assuming wings out somewhere. We're gonna pull out that fuselage, that gusto. Look at that. Look at the colors on that, guys. I don't know if this camera is like transitioning that color, but that color is ill. It's got a little shark fin up top here on the canopy. Ooh, damn, that canopy is on there. I'm gonna need some motherfucking strength for that. Oh, I can't even take it off. I'll have to slam a Red Bull or something. I don't know, maybe it's like a push or click or something. I don't know. But that's that fuselage, guys. Look at that thing. It's pretty wicked looking. Pretty directions here on how to build it, and I'm feeling like this thing just. No, I'm just kidding. Oh man. Oh. Who wants to build a frickin' aircraft on a snowy day? You can't fly it. Oh. You guys know the vibes. Build an airplane, pick it right back up, ready to go. We got 1600 millimeters, boy, 13.8 folding prop, 4S 2200. It's balanced almost perfect. Almost perfect, guys. Look at it. It is pretty sweet. I mean, 1500 millimeters is, I'm 5'10", so the wing's stretching 5'5", so that's 5'5" wingspan. Hotliner. Colors are banging, guys. Look at those colors. Brushless, 800 kV motor, Aerostar, I think it's an 80 amp. I figured out this canopy here, you twist it and it pops off ever so light easily. In the beginning of the video, you've seen I couldn't get the canopy off. I thought it was just like a magnet, but it's a twist canopy, which is even better. Yeah, it's a 60 amp Aerostar. It might take up to 6S. I'm gonna check and see what kind of pain this thing can handle, because I've got all kinds of new batteries you guys are gonna see real soon. 5 and 6S power, but hotliner ready to go. I just got some setting up to do. I put the Lemon stabilizer RX full range in here. The spinner looks sick. Check that spinner out, y'all. Pretty sweet. Let's get out to the field. I guess once it gets nice outside, we'll see this thing fly, and it's gonna be a beast. I already know. I have a couple carbon 14-inch props and a 16-inch prop that'll probably fit this folder, so we'll see. Maybe I'll put an in-runner in here and put a gearbox and make it a real hotliner. And we'll see how these wings hold up. They're super rigid, guys. I'm putting some strength to it, and whew, you know the vibes. This thing is gonna kill. It's gonna tear holes in the sky. So let's get out to the field. Next time you see me, I'll see you on the tripod. The Excalibur out here. We're gonna do a quick shakedown. Maiden flight. Wind's coming out of this direction. It should pretty much just pull up and go. Nice. No trim yet. It's leaning 1 click, 2 clicks one way. Let's turn it back around. No power. Sounds sick. Does have some stab, guys. I'm gonna have to try to get it in the film here for you. Alright, so we want a little more throws. Alright, fast pass. Going up, rotate. I'll do a nice slowy. It's awfully gusty out here, folks. This is the Excalibur V2, so it's a little beefed up from V1. Catching some crosswind a little bit. The brake works nicely. Seems like it's going okay. Nice little drift. It drops slowly. Let's climb. Climb's good. I almost could use more throw, to be honest with you. Oh, that brake sounds sick. That brake sounds nice, guys. I'll see if I can slam that brake on for you as I come by real close. Hear that? Shoop. Dive down, pull up. Doesn't have a ton of roll rate at this setting, but it's nice. No power pass. Nice. I gotta love-hate with the V-tails, and I'm loving it right now, guys. Loving it. Super sweet sound. I wish the wind wasn't blowing right now, but we can always get up into some thermal action or something. Camera here. Slow by. Hotliner just drifting in there and then off. Look at that, unlimited. That sounds so sick. No power. Come back around into the headwind, drifting it in, and hit the power. Going up. Nice. I need a little more aileron throw. Alright, this is it. I found it. I found it right here. Right here, folks. All no power. Out. No power. Come back around into the headwind, drifting it in, and hit the power. Going up. Nice. I need a little more aileron throw. Yep. Alright, let's prep for landing. Yes. It took like 5 tries to do that, guys. The wind was just fucking crazy. It was sloping me like I was hitting thermals and shit. So I should be out here trying to get it. Let's see, what do we got? How much juice we got? Freaking crazy, windy. One more thing I wanted to check, guys. Let's check our voltage, because we did 14 minutes there, and I feel like we got more left. Let's see. Oh, sorry. So O is 16, 15.2, 13. It's in storage mode. 3.8 per cell. You probably can't see it because the screen's cracked, but there it is, boys. 14 minutes on a 2300 with some moderate full blast. Pretty sweet.